Last time, we created the universe, 5,000 particles moving through empty space. But something was missing. The force that shapes planets, stars, and galaxies. Gravity. Without gravity, everything moves alone. Nothing connects, nothing grows. But then again, add one simple rule, and everything begins to change. Small particles start creating something bigger. Every universe needs rules. And today, we ask the rule that connects everything. Gravity begins with attraction. Every particle starts searching for another particle nearby. But distance changes everything. The closer two objects are, the stronger the connection becomes. A tiny, invincible force doesn't look like much. But repeat that force thousands of times, and the entire universe starts to change. Now, let's run our universe all over again. Particles move without knowing where they're going, but slowly patterns appear. Particles find each other. Small groups become systems. Chaos becomes structure, all because of one simple rule, gravity. Today, we created gravity, but something is still missing, light. Next time, we create stars.